Here I've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, here you've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM cards in your device. Click on OK to go back, and that's not the only method of discovering the IMEI number in your Doogee. So now let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open System. Now go to the About Phone and now pick the status. And here, as you can see, you've got IMEI information, so also both IMEI numbers are included here. And if you will go back and scroll down a bit, you will also notice serial number for your Doogee. So that's actually all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.